Hi, I'm John Hazzard, and for me, it's all about food. Hi, today I want to make for you what's called a Moscow Mule. And Moscow, of course, vodka is in this cocktail. So it's going to consist of vodka, lime or lemon juice, simple syrup, a dash of Angostura bitters, and we're going to be using some ginger beer. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to start first with using our Boston shaker because it's a shaken drink. And we're going to start first with 2 ounces of vodka. So I measure 2 ounces of vodka in my jigger. Then next, we're going to go with half an ounce of lime juice or lemon juice. Let's do half an ounce of that. Then we do a 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. Again, simple syrup is equal parts sugar and water by weight. So a 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. And we're going to then go with something I love, Angostura bitters, which is here. And we're going to do just a dash of that. Good, Angostura bitters is added. And then to this, what we do now, I want to add some ice now to my Boston shaker. Good. I think that's great. And I'm also going to add some ice now as well to my glass. And this is you want to be using a Collins glass. This is a 12-ounce Collins glass I'm using. So I'm adding 12 ounces of ice here. And I'm looking for the best ice cubes to add to this glass. And let's see if we find one more nice ice cube or 2. Yeah, this one. Good, so we have our ice cubes added. So we're going to go ahead now and pour our mixture into our other tin. Want to lock it and give a shake. Good, so that's it. And again, I'm fighting with the Boston shaker. The Boston shaker and myself have a lot of fights, to be honest. We have more fights than a couple have. So we're going to go ahead now and pour this into our 12-ounce Collins glass. And now it's absolutely, I love that color, so delicious. Always love this color, beautiful color. Great, that's finished. Then what we're going to do is to take the ginger beer now, and we're going to top it with the ginger beer. Ooh la la, that looks delicious. And then we're going to do a wedge of lime. See, I have a nice little lime right here. Just take off a tip of this here. That's that tip. Cut this now in half. Good, that's my wedge of lime. Just put this back in here. Great, so this is my Moscow Mule. Let's go ahead and taste this. And you can always get a straw and put into this beverage as well too. Let's just taste this. That is wonderful. Oh, the ginger beer, outstanding. That is delicious. I highly recommend you try and you make a Moscow Mule at home. So if you've enjoyed this video, please go ahead and like, subscribe, ring the bell, and for me, it's all about food, but today it's all about the Moscow Mule. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this drink, and I'll see you next time on All About Food.